Hey guys, your girl is back with another video. For people who don't know me, hi, my name is Sana and I make videos on things that I love to do. So coming back to today's video, so I basically went shopping for my thrift page on Instagram. I got a lot of stuff. So if you want to purchase any of these things, I'll keep a link in the description. It's my Instagram page for my thrift store and you can buy it from there. So without any further ado, let's straight away go on to the video. As I told you, I got a lot of stuff this time and this is everything. I can't even pick it up, it's really heavy and I am not gonna try all these things. This is for you to buy if you want. You can check out my page if you want. So yes, the first thing that I got is a pair of jeans, which is this green color, like faded green color, greenish blue color. It's a very nice piece. I wanted to keep it for myself, but I have to think about my store. So this is the jeans. It's pretty good quality and there's no defect or anything on this. 10 on 10 quality. It has a patchwork at the back, like on the pocket on one side, which looks really nice. I love the color. I love it. It is a very good quality piece. So yes, that was the first thing that I got from there. No prices would be told right now. You'll get to know when you check out my page if you want to buy. So the next one is also a jeans, which is in this reddish pink brick color. Yeah, I would say this is brick color. So yeah, this is also like the same quality, good quality. There's no patchwork at the back, but like this is really nice. I wanted to keep all of these for myself, but then I can't. So this is the second one. Yes, again 10 on 10 quality, no problem, no defect, nothing. I love it. I wish I could keep everything for myself. So this is the third jeans that I got. I got four. Yeah, I got four jeans. So this is the third one. I really like this patchwork going on the pockets and on the back also. It looks really nice. So yeah, this is like a faded, like very light blue color jeans. It looks really nice. So the shape of it comes like this. So if somebody is wearing it, your waist is gonna look like thinner. If you want that, no body shaming, nothing, just saying if you are looking for that, it gives you a proper shape basically. So this is really nice. This is not my size, otherwise I would have kept it for myself. I really like this one a lot. But yeah, you can buy it if you want. It has different patchworks on both the sides, as you can see, and something is written over here. I don't know. Again, 10 on 10 quality, love it. The button is also like very nice. Overall, I love all these pieces. Yes. Now the last jeans that I got is this orange. This one is also one of my favorite. All of these are my favorite. This is like a really good orange color and these are like straight leg and it has like this thing going on in the end. That's the style, I would say. Like, I love the color. It's like really nice if you can see it. Video is not doing justice to any of these jeans. So yes, it has some logo at the back. Again, 10 on 10 quality, no defect, nothing, love it. You can see my excitement. I am just excited. So those were all the jeans that I got. Now the next thing is a top, which is this pink color. It has this cinching, not cinching, like this, I don't know how to explain it, but it's really pretty. this is such a pretty pink color. I'm not really a pink fan, but this I really like. So I think you can guess how it looks. Pretty basic, but looks really nice. So this was the, I don't know, I've lost the count. The next thing is this mesh, like polka dotty thing, polka dot. Maybe it has a knot in the front, polka dot. It's see-through, and yeah, it has adjustable straps. Yep, really nice. You can wear it on top of a t-shirt or something, or if you want you can wear it like this only. That's up to you. That's your choice. That's your choice. So yeah, this is the next thing. So it has double mesh. So this is the first mesh. Like it has small polka dots. Yeah, and underneath there's this polka dotty thing. So yeah, this is like really nice, like very good quality. It looks like it's from Victoria's Secret, although I haven't bought anything from there, but you know what I mean. So I have two t-shirts now, both are black. This is the first one. It's written Unforgiven. Basic black, you can never go wrong with it. Oversized t-shirts are really in these days, so I thought this would be good for people who want to buy oversized but don't want to spend too much. This is the other one. I really like what it's written. Las Vegas, what happens in Vegas stays in Vegas forever. This reminds me of Friends, so like if you have seen Friends you know the reference. But yeah, this is the thing. Again, plain black with this written on it. Yep. Okay. This is also a little oversized. Not too much, a little oversized, but yeah. Another black t-shirt. I've forgotten what all I've bought. I was excited about the jeans, so I remembered that. So this is another oversized, like this is proper oversized black t-shirt. So it's written, go outside and find your possibility. Yes. So it has a white ending in the end. Yeah. And on the back it's written, find your way. Pretty good. And on the bottom it's written outside and outside, and it has a cross. So the next thing is a dress. Not really a dress, but a cover up type of a thing. If you want you can wear it with a slip. So this is the front. It has a tie up thing, like yeah, and it's see-through. As you can see, you can wear it with a slip underneath or with whichever way you want to style it. It has a belt. Yep, it has a belt like that, and there's a whole like a proper V-neck with two strings in the front, and this is like a bell kind of a sleeve which cinches in like that over here. So yeah, and it has a zip on the back. Pretty good. And yeah, this would be like below knee length. Yes, I really like the print. It looks really nice. I think it will look really nice. Everything is very nice. I made sure I buy good quality stuff. So yeah, that was that. Now one more dress, and I guess the last dress that I bought. I am not sure. I guess this is the last dress. I only bought two. I went there to buy more dresses, but I couldn't find, like I didn't like many. So this is the other dress. It is all frilly, like this frill. I don't know how to explain this. So I got it, this is in a bigger size. So yeah, this is the dress, blue color, very pretty. These are the sleeves. It has a deep V neck and it crosses in the front like this. There's a cross like that. The quality of this one, I think it's cotton. I am not sure. You have to check my post for that. I'm gonna ask my mom. I don't know about this one. So this is the next thing. This is a very cute top. Yeah, with adjustable straps. It looks pretty cute. Like the print is very cute. I really like this a lot. And it's from French collection. I think it's genuine. It has all the the tags are there. I don't know. There's a knot thingy. No, not a knot. There's a cinching in like type of a thing. Like you can tighten it from the back a little. I really liked it for myself also. I'm not gonna keep it. So now I got a plain like this grey spaghetti kind of a thing. It has this detailing in the front. I thought I should keep certain basic things as well. Like some people like basic things. You can dress it up or down, whichever way you want. So yeah, this is a plain grey spaghetti top, and it is like very stretchable and very good quality, no defect, nothing, very nice. Everything is intact, the pearls and all, everything is of good quality. So it looks really nice. Now I have another oversized t-shirt. This is in reddish pink color. Yeah. This is proper oversized t-shirt. It has this scenery kind of a thing. What is written? Lost my head. It's written lost my head in the front. This is pretty cute. Quality is very nice. I love it. Love it. So yeah, I'm gonna show everything quickly because I have things. Now the next thing is what do you call this? I've forgotten names. I don't know what this is called. Like this is for nightwear, or you can even pair it like whichever way you want. It comes with pads inside, but these are removable, so it's a really good thing for people who don't want it and for people who want it. So yes, it is in grey color, like dark grey kind of a color with pink polka dots. It looks really nice. The straps are adjustable. Yes, it looks really nice for people who like basic things to pair up with different stuff. I don't even know what I'm saying. I am exhausted right now. If I tell you, I've been making videos from a thrift store and now I'm making this YouTube video, so I'm a little tired. So if I sound a little tired, please don't mind, excuse it. So yes, this is the other thing. I have a plain black spaghetti top. I got it for the dress that I showed you, the one which is see-through. If people want it, they can buy it with this included. So yeah, or separately if somebody wants it. Yes, plain black, like very soft material, very soft. Don't mind this white thing, it's my dog's hair. So yeah, this is plain black spaghetti top. Another t-shirt. This is like a red color, blood red color, oversized t-shirt, plain from the back. It has this print on the front, like this cute little teddy bear. I really like the color. The material is also very soft. Again, no defect. I made sure I checked everything. Like there's no defect in it. Like it might be a little faded on some things, but no like major defect on it. And the next one is this. I like the print. The print is pretty cool. It has brown and yellow circles all over it with brown straps, and it is adjustable. Good thing. So yes, it's square. It's square shape and it's a crop top. It's a crop top. The quality is soft, like very soft. I don't know what the material is, but the quality is really soft and very stretchable, like very stretchable. So yep, this is the other thing. Still again no defect, nothing. Even though it's white, there's no stain on it. Like good, very good. Few things left. Another t-shirt. This is like a very light pink color which has this print in the front. I really like these printed t-shirts, so I assume people would also like it. Like these are very in right now, so I thought people would like it a lot. So yeah, this is oversized. It looks really nice. Like I wish I could keep all of these things, but I'm not going to. If nobody buys it, then it's going to be mine, but otherwise it won't be mine. I got one more dress. This has to be my favorite dress out of all, which is this pink color with these flowers, roses. It's very nice. I love this dress. It has this balloon sleeves, like balloon over here. So yeah, this is the dress. It has this design on the front. It has this strap in the front. I don't know why the strap is in the front, but otherwise I like this dress a lot. So yeah, it has this print all over. It has this frill detailing in the bottom. It is very cute. This dress is very cute. It has a zip on the back, as you can see. So yeah, it's a very cute dress. Again, I wish I could keep it, but I am not going to. So yeah, it's very cute, as you can see. I got only one skirt. I only liked one skirt over there, which is this faux leather skirt, black in color. You can never go wrong with the black. It has a zip at the back, and it is from New Look. It's written New Look. I don't know how genuine that is, but it has a tag also of New Look. Best thing, it has pockets in the front on both the sides. Like these are the pockets, and the length is also pretty decent, and the quality is also very nice. Love it. On to the last thing, are bucket hats. I got 4 bucket hats. I wanted to keep options, like I wanted to buy everything. First one is this maroon color bucket hat. Next is this blue, light blue color. I love this one. Black, can never go wrong. And this light pink color. I loved all of these. So that was everything that I got from there. I hope this is not a long video, and sorry there's no try on haul because I can't try all these things, and most of the things won't fit me because it's either a bigger size or a smaller size. It is not just my size. So that was it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you do, please share this video, like it, and subscribe to my channel. So if you liked any of these things, you can check out the link in my bio. I'll keep the link. You can check out on my page, and if you like anything else, you can buy it as well. So that was it for today's video. I'll see you in the next one.